Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In this video, we'll be solving the problem number 11 in exercise number 1.4. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous exercise problems and example problems. The video link is in the description box below. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Number 11. The distance S an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by S of t is equal to 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus b, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. A, B are constant. Verify whether the function S of t is 1 to 1 or not. Here what is given? Time t is given and the distance is also given. Okay, and here it is mentioned that clearly mentioned that A and B is constant. Okay, we have to find out whether this distance function is 1 to 1 or not. Okay, now we can see the solution. This solution is very simple. Here I have written the question. Now for the solution we have to write the given data. What is given? S of t. S of t, that is the distance, right? S of t is given. What is S of t? 1 by 2 gt square plus at plus b. This is given. Okay. Actually, we have to find out whether this S of t is 1 to 1 function or not. Before starting this problem solution, we need to know what is 1 to 1 function. As we discussed in previous videos, 1 to 1 function is nothing but if you are considering two sets, okay, two sets A and B, A and B, A and B, okay. This A is first set, B is second set. This is example, okay. A is first set, B is second set, and also we can say this A is input, B is output. Okay, here the input numbers will be there, and also in B there might be output numbers will be there. So what is 1 to 1 function is, in first set of elements, in first set all the elements should have the relation, but each and every relation means the element of A should be related to element of B. Okay, other element of B. That is the relation, connection. Okay, all the elements should have the relation, but each and every output should be different. Everything will be unique. Output should not be same numbers. For each and every input there might be a different output. That is the concept. But yeah, all the elements of A should be related to other element of other set. Okay, here we are going to take this T. T is the input. Okay, here input means first set, output means second set. Here we are considering T is an input. That means first set. S of T is an output. Okay, actually in the problem what is T? T means time. S of T means distance. Okay, that is given in the question. Now we are going to apply different values for t, and we will be getting values for s of t. If it is different values means then that function is one-to-one function. This concept is very simple. If you understand the concept, you will be able to find out the answer easily. So here I'm going to apply different values for t. T means time, right? Time cannot be negative numbers. Why I'm saying like this is t cannot be negative numbers. Why? Because time will be in positive numbers, right? Will not be in negative number. So we should not take t, the value of t is -1 or 0 or any other minus values. We should not take like this because time cannot be negative. So we have to start from 1. Okay, we can start from 1, 2, 3 and goes on. So I'm going to take three numbers one by one. First one, next two, next three. Okay, and we are going to check whether we are getting different values for s of t. That is the distance. For every time, whether we are getting different distance or not. That's the concept. Now I am going to apply t is equal to 1 in that formula. T is equal to 1. You need to apply over here. That is s of 1. 1 by 2 g t square. T is 1, right? So 1 square plus a into 1 plus b. Already we know that a and b are constant. So we need no need to give the values for them. That is the constant value. Now, what is the answer? 1 by 2 g into 1, right? We can write g only plus a into 1 a plus b. So what is the answer? G by 2 plus a plus b. This is the first answer. S of 1 answer for t is equal to 1. Now we are going to apply t is equal to 2. If t is equal to 2, what is the formula? S of t equal to of gt square plus at plus b. Okay. Then it would be of, that is 1 by 2 g t square 2 square plus a into t value is 2 plus b. So what should be the answer? 1 by 2 g into 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into a 2a plus b. So after simplification we can cancel 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2g 2g plus 2a plus b. This is the second answer. We can check is this different values or not. This is g by 2 plus a plus b. This is different. Both are different, right? And now we are going to check one more value, that is t is equal to 3. Half in 1 by 2 into g into 3 square plus a into 3 plus b. Then 1 by 2 into g into 9. 3 3s are 9 plus 3a plus b. 9g divided by 2 plus 3a plus b. This is the third answer. Okay. This is also different one. This is differ from other values. This is 9g, this is 2g, this is g by 2. So we are getting different values for different values of t. Okay. Whatever values we are giving for t, we are getting different values for s of t. Okay. So that what we can write as the answer for each and every values for every different values of t, for every different values of t, different values of t, there might be a different values of there might be different values of s values of s of s of t. For every different values of t, there might be different values for s of t. Different values for s of t, so that s of t function is a one-to-one function, so that s of t is one-to-one function. This is the answer. We have to write like this: for every different values of t, there might be the different values for s of t, so that s of t is one-to-one function. For each and every different time, we are getting different distance value. Okay. This is the there should be different input and different outputs. That is the concept of one-to-one function. Okay. This all the steps satisfying the concept, so that s of t is the one-to-one function. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, give thumbs up, share it with your friends. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.